All right, homework 34. Now we are going to be working with vectors. Vector is just a math quantity that has both a size and a direction. Usually they represent it with an arrow. So if I think about it, if I had a vector like on this one that was 3, 3, means it went 3 here and 3 here, and it would be shooting off like this. And so, in order to find the size or the magnitude of that vector, what I'm really doing is just using my Pythagorean theorem because I have a right triangle there. We know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if I solve that, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So same thing with your magnitude of your vector. Symbol for magnitude of a vector, they're going to do something like this. Magnitude of the vector is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So in this case, our vector went 3, 3. So I'm going to have 3 squared plus 3 squared. 9 plus 9 gives me the square root of 18. And then, of course, since I'm working with square roots, I would want to simplify that. 18 factors into 9 times 2. So 3 square root of 2 would be the magnitude or the size of that vector. So, if we look at the next one, we want to find the magnitude of our vector. This time, whoops, there goes my board again. 2, it did stay on number 2. This time my vector goes 4, negative 4, so it's going this way. But again, we're finding the magnitude of our vector, and so we're just going to do the square root of a squared plus b squared. So I would have 16 plus 16, which gives me 32. 32, we would say, is the square root of 16 times 2. So 4 square root of 2 would be the magnitude or the size of your vector. 4 square root of 2. Number 3, this one is going negative 6, negative 4. So negative 6, negative 4 means it's going down in this direction. So again, the magnitude of my vector, a squared plus b squared, I'm writing the b, negative 4 squared. And so negative 6 squared would be 36, negative 4 squared would be 16. If I add those together, I get 52. 52 is 4 times 13. And so I would have 2 square root of 13 for the magnitude or the size of my vector. So a vector is a quantity that has both a size and a direction. Here we're doing the direction, negative 6, negative 4. To find the size of it, we're actually just using the Pythagorean theorem, but they're going to solve it. And so square root of a squared plus b squared, and simplifying, we can find the size of our vector or the magnitude of our vector.